Okay, notes 2.9, the quotient rule. So the quotient rule tells us that if we are taking two functions and dividing them, then the derivative of that is going to be f prime g minus f g prime all over g squared. Notice how it looks similar to the product rule, where it was f prime g plus f g prime, but now the numerator is subtracting and the other one is just dividing by g squared. Okay, so let's look at some examples. So for the first example, we have 2x squared divided by 3x plus 1. So f prime means the derivative of the top, so that's 4x times 3x plus 1 minus 2x squared times the derivative of the bottom, which is 3, all divided by 3x plus 1 squared. Okay. Number 2, we take the derivative of the top, so that's 3e to the x times 2x minus 3e to the x times 2, all divided by 2x squared. Okay, the derivative here, I take the derivative of the top, which is cosine. So I do cosine x times 2x squared minus 5 minus sine x times 4x, all divided by 2x squared minus 5 squared. Okay, for this one, I take the derivative of the top, which is 3, multiply it by the function on the bottom, 2x squared, minus my function on the top, 3x plus 1, times the derivative on the bottom, 4x, all divided by 2x squared squared. Okay. Now for these ones, we are going to use a table to simplify and solve. So h prime of x is going to be equal to f prime of x, 3g of x, minus f of x, 3g prime of x, all divided by 3g of x squared. And then I want to find h prime of 2. So h prime of 2 is equal to f prime of 2 times 3g prime g of 2 minus f of 2 times 3g prime of 2, all divided by 3 times g of 2 squared. So I'm going to look at the table up here and figure out what values go where. So f prime of 2 is negative 2, so I have negative 2 times 3. G of 2 is negative 1 minus f of 2, which is 4, times 3 times g prime of 2, which is 2, all divided by 3 times g of 2, which is negative 1, squared. Okay. So this would simplify to 6 minus 24 over 9, which is negative 18 over 9, which gives me negative 2. And then the last example here, I'm going to go ahead and assign this negative to the top. So when I find r prime of x, I get negative g prime of x times 1 minus f of x minus negative g of x times negative f prime of x, all divided by 1 minus f of x squared. So then I plug in 2. R prime of 2 is equal to negative g prime of 2 times 1 minus f of 2 minus negative g of 2 times negative f prime of 2, all divided by 1 minus f of 2 squared. So referring back to the table, g prime of 2 is 2, so this is negative 2 times 1 minus f of 2, which is 4, minus negative g of 2, which is negative 1, so 1, times negative f prime of 2, which is negative 2, so positive 2, all divided by 1 minus f of 2, which is 4 squared. So this gives me 6 minus 2 over negative 3 squared, which is 4 over 9.